Welcome. If you are looking for downloaded files in your HTC Desire 12S, in this video I will show you where you can find it. So I will go for the Google Chrome and I will download picture, maybe picture of Selena Gomez. Yeah, I think it will be cool. So go for the images and I will take this picture, click and hold, then tap download, click continue and accept the permission. Then we can name our photo, but I'm going to stay with this one. Click download, and right now when you want to open this picture, go for the tools folder and then tap on the downloads, and as you can see here we are with this photo that we download from Google Chrome. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.